class 10 students. This is lesson agriculture of your geography, and here we are dealing with commercial farming. The main characteristics of this type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs. New inputs methods are used: high yielding variety seeds, HY seeds, chemical fertilizers that are manufactured in industries, insecticides that are to kill insects, pesticides. Pests are small animals like rats. In order to obtain higher productivity, more and more productivity is there. The degree of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. कैसे कॉमर्शलाइजेशन हो रही है, व्यापारिक खेती हो रही है, कितनी हो रही है, सघन खेती हो रही है, ये किस पर डिपेंड करता है? It depends on the place. Rice is a commercial crop in हरियाणा में जो राइस है, चावल कमर्शियल क्रॉप है, व्यापारिक खेती, मतलब इससे they earn money from it. And Punjab, but not in Odisha में क्या? This is only a subsistence crop which is to feed the people over there. Can you give some more examples of the crops which may be commercial in one region and may provide subsistence in another region? In Punjab, wheat is grown in large scale, but in Himachal Pradesh, when wheat is grown, it is only for subsistence. Okay. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. Plantation farming, you just know the word plantation. Plantation agriculture is done in Himachal Pradesh, Palampur में जो tea plantation field है, Assam. A single crop is grown on a large area. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industries. Both the things are there. Plantation of the tea industry, rubber, sugarcane, these all are known as cash crops because they give you cash, money. So they are commercial agriculture things. Plantation covered large tracts of land. Very large piece of land is covered under this using capital intensive inputs. What is capital intensive input? Capital is money, intensive, it's used in very much amount input which you put into the agriculture. It is done with the help of migrant laborers. Laborers are involved. The people who work over in these fields, they come from various places of India or other. All the produce is used as a raw material in respective industries. Sugarcane industries, sugarcane is used. Rubber industries, rubber is used. Tea industries, tea is used for, and that is produced in the plantation agriculture in India. Tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana are important plantation crops because what they give you cash, money, and these are the commercial agricultural crops. Tea in Assam and North Bengal, coffee in Karnataka, they all are commercial crops. Here you just see a bamboo plantation, northeast area जो इंडिया का है, उसमें bamboo plantation you are watching. They are some of the important plantation crops grown in these states. Since the production is mainly for market, production is for market, not for your subsistence. हमारे अपने यूज के लिए नहीं होती. It is only to sell in the market. A well developed network of transport and communication connecting the plantation area, processing industries and market plays an important role in the development of plantation. So you just see what you need, wide network of transportation also. Means where the things are produced, they have to be carried out to market to sell these all. Achha, now we will study about the cropping patterns. You have studied the physical diversities and plurality of culture in India. भारत में बहुत सारे विभिन्नता है, डाइवर्सिटी है और कल्चर की प्लूरलिटी है. सिंगुलर होता है सिंगल और प्लूरलिटी मतलब मैनी. These are all reflected in agricultural practices and cropping patterns in country. various types of food and fiber crops. You just see in Himachal Pradesh there are different food crops, and in Punjab, in Odisha, or in Bengal, or in South India, you just have different types of grains which you use as a food. Fiber crops are also different. Maharashtra, you grow cotton, vegetable, fruits, spices, condiments, spices, masale, और जो कि साउथ इंडिया में दे आर इन द केरल इज द लैंड ऑफ spices. They constitute some of the important crops grown in the country. India में there are three major cropping seasons. They are called Rabi, Kharif and Jad. Jad crops. Rabi crops. What are Rabi crops? Rabi crops, they are grown in winter from October to December. So now after the monsoon season, Kharif crop are harvested. You just see maize is produced. Now you will maize मक्की जो है वो available market में होगी थोड़े दिनों में. तो after monsoon मक्की is available for as a food crop for you. And in winters what is grown? Wheat is grown, and that is harvested in Baisakhi time. In April, Baisakhi is there. That is celebrated what? That is celebrated for the harvesting of wheat crops. और बैसाखी जो त्यौहार मनाया जाता है पंजाब में, वो गेहूं की फसलों की कटाई की जाती है उसकी खुशी में, क्योंकि हार्वेस्ट इज देयर, मोर एंड मोर कैश विल बी देयर, तो दैट इज celebration is there. So Rabi crops are grown in winter from October to December, or they are harvested in summer from April to June. और हमारे जितने भी festivals हैं, they are known as harvest festival. In Chamba also Minjar festival is celebrated as a harvest festival for the for corn. मक्की के लिए, मक्की का हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है मिंजर फेस्टिवल. वीट, बार्ले, पी, मटर, ग्राम, चना, मस्टर्ड, सरसों, ये सब रबी क्रॉप्स हैं. और दो दीज क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन इन लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, स्टेजेस फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट सच एज पंजाब, हरियाणा, हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू और कश्मीर जो नॉर्दर्न स्टेट्स हैं, और इन सब में ये रबी क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन. उत्तरांचल, यूपी, दे आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ व्हीट एंड अदर रबी क्रॉप्स. अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ प्रेसिपिटेशन होती है बारिश की ज़रूरत होती है जब भी आप क्रॉप्स लगाते हैं ड्यूरिंग विंटर मंथ्स ड्यू टू द. और यहाँ पर आपको विंटर्स में मानसून कहाँ से आता है? ड्यू टू द वेस्टर्न टेम्परेट साइक्लोन जो कि पश्चिमी विक्षोभ बोलते हैं हिंदी में, वो बारिश लाता है इस टाइम. दे हेल्प इन द सक्सेस ऑफ दीज क्रॉप्स. However, the success of the green revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and the parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of the above mentioned rabi crops. तो rabi crops जो हैं जो कि नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में ग्रो करते हैं, दे आर द मेन pea, wheat, they are the main rabi crops. Now we will study about the kharif crops. Crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country, and these are harvested in September and October. Important crops grown during the seasons are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tuar या अरहर दाल, मूंग दाल, उड़द dal, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Some of the most important rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. Particularly the Konkan coast. Konkan is Goa की जो coastal area है, along with UP and Bihar. Recently paddy has also become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana also. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, these crops of paddy are grown in a year These are Os, Aman and Boro. These are the names of these crops, rice crops. In between the Rabi and the Kharif season, there is a short season during the summer month known as the Jad season. Jad crops. Some of the crops produced during Jad are watermelon, muskmelon and cucumber, khira. Vegetable and fodder crops are also grown in these Jad season. Sugarcane takes almost a year to grow. गन्ने को एक साल लग जाता है ग्रो होने में. और मेजर क्रॉप्स, नाउ वी विल स्टडी मेजर क्रॉप्स. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variation in soil, climate and cultivation practices. तो भारत देश में बहुत सारे फूड और नॉन फूड क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन. और यहाँ पर जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल इज देयर, लोमी, डेजर्ट सॉइल, clay soil, and climate is also different in different parts of the country. In Rajasthan there is a desert condition, UP alluvial soil is there and the temperature is suitable, and different type of climate is there. और cultivation practices are also different. तरह तरह के तरीके अपनाते हैं वो cultivation के लिए. Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millets. Millets होते हैं small जो अनाज होते हैं, छोटे अनाज जो होते हैं. pulses, दालों को बोलते हैं. और ये सारी चीज़ें, शुगर केन, ऑयल सीड्स, मस्टर्ड से आके ऑयल, मस्टर्ड ऑयल निकलता है. सनफ्लावर से सनफ्लावर ऑयल, रिफाइंड ऑयल is also obtained from various vegetables. Cotton and jute are also produced. Rice is a staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees centigrade and high humidity. Humidity is higher with annual rainfall above 100 centimeters. 100 सेंटीमीटर से ज़्यादा रेनफॉल होने के एरियाज़ में ही rice is produced. In the areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. और जो ऐसे एरियाज़ जहाँ पर रेनफॉल कम होता है वहाँ पर सिंचाई की व्यवस्था इनके लिए की जाती है फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ राइस. राइस इज ग्रोन इन द प्लेन ऑफ नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया ऑल्सो. उत्तर और उत्तर पूर्वी राज्यों में भी ये ग्रो होता है. कोस्टल एरियाज़, ऐसे एरियाज़ जो कि समुद्र के किनारे वाले एरियाज़ हैं. एंड द डेल्टाइक रीजन, असम और ब्रह्मपुत्र के जो डेल्टा रीजन है वहाँ पर राइस की पैदावार बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ डेंस नेटवर्क ऑफ कैनल इरिगेशन, नहरों के द्वारा सिंचाई होती है, और ट्यूबवेल्स जैसे पंजाब में हैव मेड इट पॉसिबल टू ग्रो राइस.